This is the welding program at Pioneer Career and Technology Center. The welding program will prepare you for immediate high-paying jobs after high school, including welder, flame cutting operator, sheet metal apprentice, and more. Or start your own business and be your own boss. In the welding program, you'll gain hands-on experience and skill in metallurgy, TIG, automatic and robotic welding, grinders, presses, blueprint reading, and more. Graduate with ARC, MIG, TIG, and gas welding certifications as an AWS certified welder. Prepare for union apprenticeship and earn college credits through Columbus State or North Central State College. Get a head start on your career.
Hi, my name is Jesse Meyer, and I'm a welding instructor here at Pioneer Career Technology Center. I'm actually a graduate of Pioneer Career Technology Center from 2007. So I've been working in the field for about 20 years now. So my work history and my background is welding, fabricating, and then after doing that for a few years, I started my own welding business. Then I was doing mobile welding, I was doing fabrication, small repairs, I was also doing commissioned metal arts. What you can expect to learn here is a variety of different techniques, whether you're going to be doing TIG welding, stick welding, MIG welding, gas flux core arc welding. We'll also be doing some torch cutting, so oxy-fuel cutting, plasma cutting, and we have a variety of different machines that students would be able to get educated on, whether that's a press brake, a shear, different saws, iron workers. They're going to get a variety of different kinds of training here. There's also going to be plenty of opportunity for them to get welding certifications in those similar things that I just talked about. We also can get certified in pipe welding in all different kinds of welding positions.
My name is Brian Crabtree. I go to Wynford. I am in football for Wynford High School. What I would like to do for a career path is go to the pipeline, because most of my family's in the pipeline, and that's just what I've had my mind set on. What I like most about Pioneer is the classes that you can be in your lab half the day, and then for the other half you can be in your academics. And I also like that your senior year you can go on work release and be able to work instead of coming to school, but you still have to do the school online. This lab prepares me for what I want to do in life by giving me my own personal certifications that I can keep for the rest of my life and not some other company. So I can go somewhere and work and then go somewhere else with the same certifications and work somewhere else. I strongly recommend coming here because you get to meet a lot of new people and you just get out of your comfort zone and come to somewhere that you don't know anyone and you do something that you're not used to, like welding. I'm not used to doing that most of my day, but I came and I really enjoy it.
Take a tour of Pioneer anytime online or apply today at gotopioneer.com.